Welcome to RP Lifestyle YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into the world of beverages with a topic that has gained quite a bit of attention in recent years: bulletproof coffee. If you're a coffee enthusiast or a health-conscious individual, this video is for you. Join us as we unravel the secrets and benefits of this unique and popular drink. So, grab a cup of joe and let's get started. What is bulletproof coffee? For more than 100 years, some East African countries have been drinking only butter mixed with coffee, known as butter coffee. However, bulletproof coffee is very popular in America, Europe and Canada at present. Bulletproof coffee is a coffee that is mixed with cold-pressed coconut oil, MCT oil with traditional butter coffee. The main ingredients of this coffee are organic roasted coffee bean powder, organic butter ghee, organic cold-pressed coconut oil, MCT oil, cacao powder, optional, flaxseed powder, optional, pink salt, optional. Health benefits of bulletproof coffee. Bulletproof coffee is a beverage that typically consists of high-quality coffee, grass-fed butter, and medium-chain triglyceride, MCT, oil. Here are some potential benefits associated with bulletproof coffee. Increased energy. The combination of caffeine from the coffee and the healthy fats from the butter and MCT oil can provide a sustained release of energy throughout the day, which may help improve focus and productivity. Mental clarity. The MCT oil in bulletproof coffee is rapidly converted into ketones, which are an alternative energy source for the brain. This can potentially enhance cognitive function and mental clarity. Appetite control. The high-fat content of bulletproof coffee can help promote satiety and reduce hunger cravings. This may be beneficial for those following a low-carbohydrate or ketogenic diet. Weight management. Bulletproof coffee is often consumed as part of a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet. This combination can potentially support weight loss by promoting ketosis, a metabolic state where the body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Increased nutrient absorption. The healthy fats in bulletproof coffee can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins present in the coffee, such as vitamins A, D, E, and K. Antioxidant benefits. Coffee is known to be a rich source of antioxidants, which can help protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation. Regular consumption of bulletproof coffee can contribute to overall antioxidant intake. Potential performance enhancement. Some athletes and individuals following a high-intensity training regimen claim that consuming bulletproof coffee before workouts provides sustained energy and improves performance. Bulletproof coffee recipe. You will need coffee 2 teaspoons, ground roasted coffee beans, homemade butter 10 grams or ghee 1 tablespoon, coconut oil 2 tablespoons, 100% organic cold-pressed, MCT oil 1 tablespoon, cocoa powder 1/4 tablespoon, pink salt 1 pinch. Method of preparation. When a mug of water boils in a pot, add coffee powder to it and burn the coffee on medium heat for 2 minutes. Do not burn for too long as the coffee aroma will dissipate. Add the butter or ghee, coconut oil, MCT oil, cocoa powder, pink salt to the jug of the blender and pour the boiling coffee into it. Then blend for 1 minute, then blend for another 30 seconds or 1 minute if you want a more creamy and foamy coffee. Pour into a mug and enjoy bulletproof coffee. Bulletproof coffee is not only about the ingredients but also the experience. Many people find it helpful to have their cup of bulletproof coffee as part of their morning routine, allowing them to focus and start their day on the right foot. So, whether you're looking for a new way to boost your energy or want to try something different in your coffee routine, give bulletproof coffee a shot. It's a tasty and potentially beneficial addition to your daily routine. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.